In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "you cannot stream right now" error on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to stream but you are unable because of this error, then most likely Twitch app might have experienced a glitch. You need to fix this. To fix this, first go to your phone and look for settings. We need to troubleshoot our Twitch app. Here, go to apps and then look for manage apps or all apps option. Tap on it to open. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch and hit is. And now from here, go to force stop and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache and final OK. And finally clear all data. Once you are done, now restart your Twitch app and try to live stream, and now everything should be OK. However, if you're still unable, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app and install it. Or also if you have any recently installed security app, you want to remove it temporarily, as this might be causing this problem. However, if this still does not work, then most likely you might be missing out on an update on your app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Twitch, and I'll run my search. And here, open your Twitch app and update your app to the latest version. Once your app is up to date, now you should be able to live stream. However, should this not work, then try and use the browser version. For that, you need to log into your Twitch account using a browser like Google Chrome or even Firefox or any other browser that you have on your phone to see if it works. But should this fail both on browser and app, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes to try again, and now your problem should be fixed. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.